Hey there, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our blacked out 2022 Mack Anthems. This truck is equipped with the MP8, 445 horsepower, and the Mdrive 12-speed. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check this unit out. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full listing of our inventory. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, let me know. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.